Alrighty, we're recording the sewer line here at 2020 East Howe Street. The date is November 19th, 2020. I'm making this recording from the clean out here in the basement of the home. What we are looking at now is the concrete sewer line, 8-inch diameter, that is down. What's Cindy's address down there?
2026, I don't remember.
Anyway, down in the backyard of the house across the street.
I can go look.
Here, we're going to go find that address out and be right back. Alright, so we're at 2025 East Howe. So we're making this, that's where the camera is sitting right now, is in the backyard of that house. We did a repair down there that you're looking at right here with this plastic. So this section of plastic is part of a repair that was done with this repair project. So we're going to come back from there. Then we're going to get a recording from there going down. So we're going to do this in stages. So that section of plastic was a Bob Oates repair. This section of original concrete, this is 8-inch diameter concrete, was left alone as part of this current project. So it's intact and functioning, as you can tell. And we get back into a plastic section of pipe that's in the backyard of 2025 East Howe. This is not part of the Bob Oates project. This was installed previous. There's a clean out there as well. So coming back now into 6-inch diameter pipe. That's 8-inch diameter we were in. We're now in 6-inch diameter. Again, original concrete pipe to the house. So back into PVC repair that we did across the alleyway, the street there. There's also a clean out there at the top of the screen. You can see there's a clean out. And then we did a liner upstream into this house. So from that excavation, we did a liner upstream. This is a 6-inch diameter liner through here and jumping back into 4-inch diameter right there. So 6 by 4. This was an old concrete pipe that had a number of deficiencies. It's now been repaired with this sewer liner. A little dangling piece of towel on the end of my camera head there. But there is the transition into cast iron, so the cast iron into that liner. So seamless transition there into the old cast iron that runs underneath the garage and under the house in the basement here of the home. So there's all that cast iron. Here's the clean out making this recording from in the basement here. I'm going to end the recording. We're going to get a recording from the rest of the homes. We're going to pause it. Alright, we're continuing the recording from 2029 East Howe, Carolyn's house. So this is making this recording from the clean out on the side of the home of the corner here. I'm going to come back. Right now I'm 140 feet down the line. I'm down at the 8-inch clean out that's between 1920 Blaine Street and the other house. So the rest of this recording is going to be done from this place down, from the top of the screen where you see that access point. that's where my next section of this recording is going to be. So we're going to come back from this 8-inch clean out. We're an 8-inch diameter pipe. This is the section of line that we have not seen previously. This was blocked by a broken section of pipe, and we weren't able to see this in the past. So now we are able to see the line. Here's the repair that Bob Oates did. So this was the broken section that we dug up and repaired. So here's this section of new plastic. Relatively small section, but that was what was causing the big break and the issues. Now we're going to be coming back up towards where that last video ended. So this is where that previous section of video ended. So coming back from here, you saw the section of pipe that went to Joanna's line 2020. We're now coming back towards Carolyn's line. That should be Joanna's and Cindy's line running right there. You see that water on the bottom of the pipe. Now we're coming back into 4-inch pipe that's Carolyn's line here at 2029. So right into liner. You see we did about a 10-foot long stretch of liner here. And there's to repair this corner. So this corner had a big root growing through it and it was busted out. So we repaired that with the liner. Now we're coming back through this 4-inch diameter concrete pipe. Into plastic pipe there. This was not part of the Bob Oates repair. This was a previous job. Plastic ends and goes back into a short section of concrete before we get to this corner where a clean out was installed. So there's the clean out recording this from, right next to the downspout here at the corner of 2029 East Howe, Carolyn's place. Pausing the video, we're heading down to that 8-inch clean out. Alright, after our long, arduous journey here, we have finally reached the city main sewer. That is the city main there flowing by on Blaine Street down here. I'm recording this at the 8-inch clean out in between houses here down on Blaine. I think it's 1920 and 1924. So coming back from this point, that 8-inch concrete sewer line. None of this is touched as part of the Bob Oates project. I'm just showing you the rest of this line so that we've got a look from Joanna's house, 2020 Howe, all the way to the main. So some minor cracking and stuff down there. Probably going to need to get addressed sooner than later, but still intact now. A little bit of toilet paper and sludge there. Yeah, a little bit of toilet paper. Probably needs to get washed out one more time. Line's totally intact though and functioning. And a little more sludge in the clean out there, so in the plastic section. So probably give it one more flush here. But here's the 8-inch clean out we're recording this from in between the two homes. And that's the end of the recording.